What's up, everybody? So welcome to another project. I'm working on a neighbor's Honda Odyssey. The whole front end is smashed, so we're pretty much doing a budget build. We got a bunch of parts from the junkyard, and so I'm just gonna go pick it up, bring it home, and put on a core support for right now. And I believe they bought all their parts, so we'll just be ready to put everything together, weld that core support on, and see how that goes. So let's go check out that car. Walking over to it. It's not too bad. The frame is not bent. I've already looked at it. So yeah, pretty much they smashed into a truck, so the tow hitch bumped that up. The whole bumper just came off. So let me go talk to her and grab the keys so I can pull it up to my driveway. Here we are, just towing away. Oop, I need a brake. Don't go too fast. Okay. Oh crap, it came off. Yeah, so we ended up leaving the car right there and then drove it in here, and the transmission was not plugged in, so it was like squirting out a bunch of fluid. So I gotta clean that up. But yeah, other than that, this is where I want her, closer to my garage, my welder. Alright, so I'll show you guys the parts that we actually got. We have the AC condenser, the headlight brackets right there. Wait, where's the other one at? Oh, it's in the car. The headlights, the grill. This is their old grill, so they want to keep that, even though it has a few cracks right there, but not too bad. The condenser bracket, radiator support, got that from local shop here, so it's not OEM, it's just a replacement. And their old bumper's not too bad, it just flew off, I guess you could say, broke off. Maybe the tabs here are broken, but not too bad. I can make it work, so it doesn't take too much to put it back. I'm gonna take this hood off because we're gonna replace the hood too, which they haven't gotten yet. So take that out. The battery should be pretty simple. I think the hardest part is the core support, which I have to drill out all these little tack welds right here. There's probably like, I don't know, 20-30 of them, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, of course, don't forget your PPE, your safety stuff. I'm wearing these because sometimes when you're drilling, it's like the high squeal pitch noise does hurt your ear after a while. I got two sets of face eye guard. I got this one right here, and I got this one for a full face one. I'll probably be using this. So, yep, let's get to work.
I know I'm someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know you. I'm sad, I know you. I'm someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Suicide if you ever try to let go.
This crowbar right here helps so much. Alright, the fenders are bolted down. So basically, I know that that's good right there. I'm gonna grind this spot right here, tack weld that, and then come back around right here. Same thing with the other side. Grind that, and then tack weld that. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the final form. Turned out pretty good. Everything is pretty straightforward. The hardest part was the radiator support. The last thing that they need is a hood, and they're gonna wait for a hood with that color at the junkyard so they can save on money on paint, therefore budget. So that's pretty much it for my project. I am done. It's been a long day, but I'm glad that the sun came out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I will catch you guys in my next project. I'm glad that it was just a day long. Hopefully that was informational. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye.